Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 25 Area of Rectilinear Figures Exercise 25B question number 12. See what have we got here. It's an MCQ question. Ratio of bases of a triangle is x is to y and that of their areas is a is to b. So the base and the ratio of those two bases and the height and the ratio of those and the area and the ratio of those areas of two triangles is given here. So the base of the first triangle is x and the base of the second triangle is y and their ratio is x is to y. Area of the second triangle, first triangle is a and that of second one is b and their ratio is a is to b. Now then the ratio of their corresponding altitudes is what? That means simple words, it means what is the ratio of their height. Okay, see, let b1 comma h1 and b2 comma h2 be the be the bases and heights, right, of the two triangles. Now see, this thing we have written, what have I done? For the first triangle I will take b1 h1, right? See, this is the first triangle, right? So this is my b1 and this height, it's my what? h1, something like this. Now the second triangle b2 and h2 we have assumed. So in the second one this will become 2 and this will become 2. That's the only difference, right? So this much is what we have to do first, that is to assume this. And see, now for area a1 upon a2, right? See the ratio of their areas. So for in the place of area I have written a1 for the area of the first triangle, a2 for the area of the second triangle, and since it is a ratio I have put them in the division, in the fraction, you can see upon one upon the other. Now this thing is done. Now calculate the formula for area. We know area of the triangle is half base into height. Okay, we will not use any other formula because we have base and height here. So half base into height is what? Your area of the first triangle 1 by 2 into b1 into h1. For the second one this will be 1 by 2 into b2 into h2, right? So for the first triangle we had assumed base as b1 and height as h1, so I have done 1 by 2 into b1 into h1. Now and then for the second triangle I had assumed your base as 2 and height as h2, so 1 by 2 into b2 into h2. Now see, ratio of their areas I know, yes, a is to b. So see, a is coming first, so put a in the numerator upon now b in the denominator is equal to half into b1. See, we know ratio of the bases of the triangle is x is to y. X is to y. Whatever is coming first, put that in the numerator. Whatever is coming second, put that in the denominator. First x is coming, so 1 by 2 into x. Into height we don't know, so leave this as h1. Upon we have 1 by 2 again. Here 1 by 2 into b2. So this will be what? Y. So 1 by 2 into y into h2 again. We don't know, sorry, this is 2. We don't know that. So leave this as h2. Now half cancels, half cancel. So we are left with a upon b is equal to x into h1 upon y into h2, right? So what I will do, what is asked is the ratio of their corresponding altitudes, that means the ratio of their heights. Here you can see h1 h2. h1 h2 is what? The height. So if I can write this as h1 upon h2 is equal to whatever it is coming, that will give me my ratio. See, h1 upon h2 is equal to x, first of all a by b, you should write that down. Okay, so this side I have copied here as it is, and h1 h2 from this side I have taken this xy. Now where will this go? xy will go to a by b, right? So we will have a by b and into x upon y or into y upon x, it will reciprocate. So y will go in numerator, x will come in the denominator. So into y by x, h1 upon h2 is what? Ay upon bx. Therefore h1 is to h2 is equal to ay is to bx, right? So whenever you get this, this is how we have solved this. And what are you getting? The ratio of their height, it is coming what? h1 is to h2, that is ay into ay is to bx, right? Here you can see in these options, you can see option C is coming ay is to bx, so take that. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye bye.